Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best phaser Star Trek is probably one of the most iconic and versatile weapons in science fiction, and today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of phaser technology as seen across various Star Trek series and movies, exploring its capabilities, variations, and the impact it has had on the Star Trek universe and science fiction as a whole. We'll examine its evolution, from its humble beginnings to its advanced forms, and discuss its role in shaping conflicts and technological advancements within the Star Trek universe. Number 5. Rubies Star Trek TNG Phaser. Get ready to explore the final frontier with this officially licensed phaser. It's a perfect accessory for any Star Trek, The Next Generation costume. This phaser is made of 100% plastic and imported. It's designed to look just like the one from the show, so you can feel like you're part of the crew. The phaser comes with sound effects, adding to the authenticity. It requires two AAA batteries, which are sold separately. Please note that this is a costume accessory and not intended for rough play. It's perfect for completing your Star Trek look. From Rubies, a family-focused company based in the USA since 1951. They offer a wide range of costumes and accessories for the whole family. What we like. This phaser is a perfect replica of the one from Star Trek, The Next Generation. It features authentic sound effects, bringing your cosplay to life. If you're looking for a classic phaser with sound and want to complete your TNG costume, you should consider this one. What people say. Clean, crisp, and dare I say, perfect sound effects. Durable plastic. Very good paint job. It looks exactly how it should. It makes 3 different phaser sounds, short pulse, long pulse, and 3-round burst. This is a nice, simple, yet well-detailed replica from Star Trek TNG TV show. It has sounds, AAA not included. Number 4. Playmates Star Trek, the original series phaser. Relive the excitement of Star Trek with this authentic phaser replica. It's a faithful recreation of the iconic weapon from the original series. This phaser is brought to you by Playmates, known for their high-quality collectibles. The design is based on the original prop, ensuring accuracy. The phaser features detailed molding and accurate colors. It's a must-have for any Star Trek fan who appreciates the finer details. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a new fan, this phaser is a great addition to your collection. It's a piece of television history. Don't miss out on the chance to own this piece of Star Trek history. Get yours today and boldly go where no one has gone before with it. What we like. This phaser is from the original series. It's a great option for fans of the classic show. If you are a fan of the original series, you should consider this one. What people say. This phaser has 3 separate settings you can change, very cool, and they are color-coded. The sound is spot on. Phaser fire, stun, and overload. It was exactly as described, with sound that is a good match to the effects on the show. The size, weight, lights and sounds are all awesome. Number 3. Rubies Star Trek Phaser Gun Costume Accessory. This is an officially licensed Star Trek costume accessory. You can be sure you've received an authentic, safety-tested item by looking for the trademark on the label and packaging. This phaser features the classic blue, orange, and white design. It's perfect for completing your Star Trek costume and is designed for safe play. The phaser includes sound effects to enhance your play experience. It requires 2 AAA batteries, which are available separately, to operate. This is a must-have accessory for any Star Trek costume. However, it's important to remember that this accessory is not designed for rough play or battle action. This accessory is great for any time of the year. Whether you're a new or classic Star Trek fan, it's the perfect addition to your collection. From Rubies, a family-focused company based in the USA since 1951, this accessory is just one of the many classic and licensed costumes and accessories they offer for your entire family. What we like. This phaser features the iconic design from the original series. It also includes sound effects for added realism. If you are a fan of the classic phaser design and want an officially licensed accessory, you should consider this one. What people say. The dimensions and specs match those of the Starfleet Technical Manual published in 1976, so it looks authentic. As long as you're holding down the button, it makes a steady phaser stream noise. The knob on the back of the phaser, shown blue and white in the picture, has numbers on it and can turn, so you can set the stun kill level. It looks to be the right size and shape, and it makes the cool phaser sound. It takes 2 AAA batteries and makes the classic phaser sound effects when fired. Number 2. Factory Entertainment Star Trek Phaser Bottle Opener. Are you a Star Trek fan? This is the perfect accessory for every member of Starfleet. It's a must-have for any fan. This heavy-duty bottle opener is also a collectible item. It's designed to last and is a great conversation starter. The design is based on the communicator badge. It's a stylish and instantly recognizable piece of Star Trek history. This bottle opener is both aesthetically pleasing and easy to use. It's designed to be functional and look great at the same time. Looking for the perfect gift for a Trekkie? Look no further. This is a fantastic present that they'll cherish. What we like. This phaser is not just a prop, it's a functional bottle opener. Its collectible design makes it a great addition to any Star Trek collection. If you're a Trekkie who enjoys a cold beverage, you should consider this one. What people say. Hefty weight. Sturdy. Great bottle opener for the beer fridge. It opens bottles well, looks cool, and your Star Trek fan friends will love it. The bottle opener is surprisingly detailed and durable. Pure quality, not a plastic prop, full-size replica Type 1 Star Trek TOS phaser bottle opener. Made of metal, had it a few months now and it works every time, worth every penny. Great quality and looks super real. Phaser looks great. It has a good weight to it and it feels good in your hand. Number 1. The Wand Company Star Trek Phaser Remote. Are you a Star Trek fan? Then you'll love this. This is a highly accurate prop replica of the original series phaser. It's created from 3D laser scans of the last known hero prop, so it's incredibly detailed and accurate. Don't worry about complicated setups. It teaches you how to use it with spoken prompts, making it easy to get started. Experience authentic special FX sounds from the Star Trek universe. Just pull the trigger and hear the iconic phaser sounds. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, and a USB charging cable is included. This ensures that you can use it again and again. The hand-polished metal parts with nickel and brass-plated die-cast details give it a premium feel. It's a must-have for any Star Trek collector. What we like. This phaser is a highly accurate prop replica that doubles as a universal remote control. It features authentic sound effects from the Star Trek universe. If you're looking for a unique and functional Star Trek collectible, you should consider this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.